help you.
And my name's Jordy, if you don't know me. Today I did something a little bit different. I did a fluffy, curly hair tutorial with my assistant, Maisie. Thank you for your help, Maze. I really appreciate it. Thanks for being my assistant.
This is his nail brush.
Yeah, I can keep it?
Yeah.
She's so sweet to me. Before we jump into the tutorial, I wanted to show you guys a new shirt that's in the merch store. This is a little phrenology head that I drew. And there's Maisie's head. This is just a little design of not olive, but a lot of the things that go on in my mind. And I feel like it is relatable, so check it out. If you would like to see how I created these big, fluffy, messy curls, then keep watching. If you don't like this hair, then you could just watch it for Maisie's cuteness. Or just for me, I'm cute too, right? I'm cute too. Yeah.
And all because of this.
All because of Hairspray. Without it, I am nothing.
If you like this channel, like and subscribe.
That's my girl. I never use any clips, any ponytails to section off my hair. I just flip my hair over and I do bit by bit because I'm lazy. I'm so lazy when it comes to my hair. This is my favorite curling iron. It's like 6 years old. Hopefully you can still get it. I will try and find it and it'll be linked down below if I was successful. If not, I'll find something similar for you guys. All right, so I usually grab a hunk, I don't know, like this much, like an inch. And with no rhyme or reason, I wrap it around the curling wand. I don't curl the end, I like to keep it out and it looks kind of cool with a little straight end. I probably hold this in my hair for like 10 seconds. And then release, and you've got a curly fry. Moving on, take another, not too much, but like not too little. I take another one and I make sure to curl it in the opposite direction because I don't want it to look like uniform. I want it to look crazy and kind of like I actually have curly hair. So I curled the other one this way, so I'm gonna curl it this way. Again, just leaving the end out for that cool little straight piece at the end. And we have another curly fry. You almost burned your hand. Watch out.
I kissed some of you.
Can I have one right here? And then I'm gonna do another piece in the opposite direction. It doesn't have to be exactly one way and then the next way and then the other way, and because I forget. Just make sure it's not all the same way. I have sparkly hands too, actually. Just doing the same thing again. Hold it for like, I don't know,
80 hours.
80 hours. Maybe I should count. When my hair was wet last night, I did put a little bit of the Verb Ghost Prep Heat Protection in my hair because I knew I was gonna curl it today. But I should have blow dried it last night, but I was too tired. This one got a little out of control. That's a little bit too straight on the end. I'm just gonna recurl the end.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. That didn't really work, that's okay. And I'm just curling another one. You're gonna wanna curl all of it, unless you're going for like a different look than this one. Get in here. That one's upside down. Yeah. Thank you. I always make sure to let them cool before I touch them at all, because then you'll wreck them. Before I move on to another layer of hair, I'm gonna
use that.
I'm gonna spray them with the Verb Hold and Volume Strong Hairspray.
Close my eyes.
Probably good idea. Just a little bit. And then you need to get someone to hold your curling iron for you. And I'm just gonna grab another layer of hair. And you guessed it, I'm gonna curl it. Did you know I was gonna curl it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I guessed right.
Usually with these pieces that are around my face, I curl them away from, whoa, that was not good. Just needs to look a little bit better. I'm always really scared I'm gonna melt off my fingernails, but I don't like to wear the glove.
Can I say name one, like I wanna say I love you 1 and 5.
Yeah, call me mom.
Close my eyes and my mouth.
And this is the look. I'm done.
Wait, now you didn't do the back.
I don't want to do it. It's nice having an assistant.
That's why I'm holding right here.
Would you be my assistant all the time?
Yes.
Okay, another front piece, so I'm going to wrap it away from my face.
3. Ooh, it looks beautiful.
Looks like a sausage.
Yeah.
When I get to the back, the ones on the top, I go away from me and I try and get some body in the back with the curling iron, if that makes any sense. Get them to sort of whoop over to the back. I don't know, what? I love this curling iron so much, but the power button is right where I hold it, and every once in a while I'm like, wow, I think it's finally dead, but it's because I accidentally switched it off. I just pretty much wing it for the back and do it as well as I can. I try and get most of it curled, but I kind of mess it up and back comb it anyways, so it doesn't really matter. Just bob it in.
Well, this one like toy.
Maisie brought me a comb to use, so this is the comb I will use. Thank you.
Sponge. Sponge in your face. Also in the video.
I'm just gonna flip this over and I'm gonna curl underneath, and then I'm gonna do each layer the same as I did the other side. Thanks, babe. I'm gonna do it off camera and I'll be right back to show you how I
I'm a kid.
finish
I'm
it.
a kid. I'm a kid.
Okay, now I've got this little head of little curls.
I love
Curly
you,
Sue. I love you, baby. But this is not the look that we're going for. Not quite. Okay, so these are cooled. They're a little bit sprayed with hairspray, and now I just gotta mess them up. Mess them up, Maze.
Can I do that?
Yeah. Make sure you have your assistant help you with this part. It makes it much better. I think the most important thing for this fluffy, messy, crazy curl look is to leave the ends out and leave them straight, and also to make sure you're curling all the pieces in different directions. Next, I'm gonna use the IGK 30,000 Fleet Volume Powder Spray. So I'm gonna part it here, give it a spray. It's just a volume powder. Thank you. And then part it again. Miss entirely and spray my forehead. That's good, that's good. And then just kind of whip it in.
Can you guys didn't see that?
This stuff smells so good. Parting it again. Shooting the powder in. And just rubbing it in.
Put that on my nose. Ooh, it smells good.
And I'm just spraying the powder into all of the sections of hair for lots of volume. Do some sections in the back.
What's everything small?
If you like your hair to feel soft and silky, this is not a tutorial for you.
Yeah.
I'm just moving that powder all around, working it into my hair.
Hello.
And then I kind of just use my fingernails and pull it out just to kind of bring the curls back together. And then I'm going to use this amazing little comb. We think the brand might be Rapunzel.
Set.
The set came in a Rapunzel set. Back comb at the root. You don't really need to because this product gives you so much volume. And then where there's still some curls that are stuck together, I kind of just back comb them out. And I back comb some of the ends as well. Kind of makes it come out more. It kind of pushes the curl up and almost makes it look more curly, but then you've got these little straight pieces that stay straight. I think it looks so cool. This comb is actually working excellently. Thank you, Maisie. Once you have it how you like it, I like to tuck one side behind my ear. I'm just gonna give it one quick little spray.
Guys, my brother's name is Ollie.
And then I'm just gonna give it a scrunch.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, right. And that's it. That's how I do my big fluffy curls. I love this hairstyle. If I wasn't so lazy, this would be my hair every single day. This wears nicely for like 3 days. Like I can sleep on this and it still looks good tomorrow. Yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget
To subscribe.
to subscribe. Now Maisie's gonna do a hair tutorial. How to comb your bangs.
Bye.
Bye!